So today, of all days, fun day, Monday, we got my dude over here who does all kind of truck work and stuff. Of course, his first love is cutting grass. Ain't that right, Chevy?
It really is. I just can't get enough of cutting grass.
His second love is working on vehicles. You might recognize him as the famous PO449 error code guru on his channel, which I'll leave in the description. But we got to get this old Chevy running. There's money sitting here. It was running. I let it sat. Now, go to crank, it's not getting fuel. So what's the likely culprits here?
Well, so we hear the fuel pump. We turn the key on, it does buzz. But there's no fuel coming out of the fuel Schrader valve up top. I guess our plan of attack is we're going to unhook the fuel line here at the fuel filter. And we'll kick the key on again and see if we just get, just check if we ain't got a clog. It could be, you never know. It could
That'd
just
be awesome.
Plugged up fuel filter, so.
Okay. Well, we're going to get on this. First of all, let me get another piece of that stick you had, man. Those things was.
Yeah, they're not bad.
I'll buy you some more, man. That thing was awesome.
I left it out. I knew. I was like, he's probably going to want some more of these.
Now, we're not sponsored by these guys.
Old Trapper, they make some good stuff.
But this stuff is, man, that is very, very tasty, I must say. Well, we're going to get this breakfast egg here. This breakfast of champions. And then we're going to get this Chevy runner. Going in.
Oh, are you?
I'm too big.
Oh. I thought you were going in.
I would go in. You going to hold something?
No. Okay. Oh, what the? I don't fit. There we go.
Man, there's no way I can get in here.
So, I'm going to be taking off the fuel line before the fuel pump. I mean the fuel filter. And if we get fuel there, then I'll hook that back up and take it off after the fuel filter. Just see if the filter's clogged. Either way, we're going to find out if we're getting fuel out this line. Ew, look at these big old spider web nests in here. Nice. Probably going to get bit by a brown recluse and die. Okay. Oh wow. That's not supposed to happen. I just had to send them back and get new ones. Oh, we got a leak. I need a napkin.
You need a napkin? You need a rack?
I might. Whew, man, this gas stinks. Hand me a lighter so I can see if it even ignites anymore. There we go. Now I think it quit leaking now, finally. No, it ain't stopping, so I guess... I mean, we could just try to hit the key. I just don't know if it's going to get your camera. Oh, sorry. All right, just like kick it on and kick it off real quick.
Okay. It's on.
Oh, we ain't getting squiddly squat. Oh, wait, do that again. Do it again. Huh, yeah, no, definitely not doing anything. Well, you folks at home, what do you guys think the problem is?
See how much the fuel pump is.
Oh, it's like $378. I always love giving my bossy guy a heart attack. Which actually, honestly, I bet you an actual AC Delco probably is almost a good 300 or so. Okay, that settles that. I guess stay tuned. We'll go back.
Did you tell him the deduction that you come to? Yeah, what was your conclusion of the matter?
It's a Chevy.
Well, he don't have his Chevy here. Well, you guys know. You look at his camera.
Yeah, see, Fords, their fuel pumps never go out. Living on the edge. Copyright.
Right.
Copyright.
No, it actually has to sound like that, I think.
Oh.
So there's our culprit.
You know what? Second thought, I don't think that is the problem.
What do you think it is?
I'm just kidding. Apparently I don't have my hammer. That's kind of dumb.
You need a hammer?
I do. Yeah, I think they make like a fuel pump remover tooler thingy. Should get one someday. Why is the sun starting to shine right here now? It wasn't earlier. Look at that. It's got a cute little lock on it too. That's adorable.
Did you break it?
Yeah. I mean, I guess I'm quitting soon enough anyway, so you might as well.
I know you're quitting. When are you quitting? Don't quit. Don't quit. I'm just kidding. Are you quitting?
Yeah. Too many Chevys around here. If we had like real trucks and real
what
equipment.
If I paint Ford on this?
If we had real trucks and real equipment, I'd probably have to stay then, but.
What do we need for real equipment?
John Deere's. I don't know what this is doing, but there we go. Oh, look at what this beautiful, beautiful ethanol fuel does to everything.
Oh, look at the corrosion.
Is that still on? Okay, so
yeah.
yeah, look at that. This line's also. So that's what I was saying. I could hear it bubbling. That's probably why it was just.
I told Cody it was probably the lines, but he continued to want to put starting fluid in it, continued to try to crank it over.
So see now, but this is why they also say it's important to keep your tank full of gas, because see, if people run their tanks down low, you see, actually, you probably see that's probably the fuel line right there.
And you know what? My father-in-law, king of putting $2 in. No, I'm serious.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah,
That thing probably hasn't seen gas on that line since he bought it.
But so not only is it important because of this, but also your fuel pump's right here. Well, the fuel keeps your fuel pump cold. I mean, you know, cooled down.
Yeah.
Where otherwise, if you have low gas, your fuel pump gets hot.
Well, that's definitely our problem. ain't it?
Oh
gas,
gosh. Oh gosh.
He's trying to burn the shop down.
Don't show that EPA.
That was water.
That was water. It probably is water. Alrighty, guys, we are back from O'Reilly's. So we just got a precision pump. Something I just noticed setting them side by side is that right there is missing on this one. So that probably wasn't helping anything either, but hopefully a little bit better of a design here. And hopefully this will get us running. Alright, I guess we'll get her put back in. Oh, you're not allowed to show knives on YouTube.
Really? It would surprise me.
I wouldn't doubt it. I'm just joking though.
Sometimes you want to get the right tool to do the job.
You see that?
Yeah. Oh, well,
See that? Oh, yeah. That was the issue too, right there.
does this keep track of the level of the fuel in the thing?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, it tells you
Oh yeah.
this is what goes into
it'll
the...
tell you. That's your sending unit right there.
Oh, it tells you how full it is.
Yeah.
Ain't that cool?
It does move.
Look at that crust. That crud butter on there.
Try not to get any of it on this one.
Please. I'm going to get right over the action.
I just wonder where that filter went to, because I didn't see it when I looked in here earlier. I mean, it probably really shouldn't be in there. Yeah, I bet you somebody was doing this and just dropped that filter right in there. This is also a tell sign too. Do you see how easy that fit in there?
Yeah.
The other one was like just so swollen.
I noticed that. It didn't want to come out, did it?
Yeah. Ooh. That ring pretty much rusted to pieces right there.
We got some duct tape. Wasn't there like a little black thing that goes on there? Like the rubber?
No, it should be on this.
The other one had one. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, see?
You sure?
Is that it?
You sure?
Oh my.
No, I was actually just looking at that. That's weird. Where's the rubber? See?
Man.
Make sure you're paying attention.
He about blew the whole thing up. See, Cody likes to keep you guys on your toes. That was all jest. You knew exactly what he was doing.
Now do you think I can do it without taking the whole thing back out?
Maybe.
Or can I just jam it over this and break?
That plastic like it's ready to break at any moment.
You're gonna make me pull it back out, aren't you?
Oh, full of gas. Gosh.
Again.
Man, that gas smells great. You know, I saw it.
I didn't think you were gonna let me go that far.
And I said, I'm not going to say nothing.
Sorry, it's good to get it
Yeah.
pre-gassed up.
This would be the last owner this truck ever has. This seems to be cutting grass well into the 2050s.
I won't be.
Oh, you're gonna have what do they call it when they got a bald head with just a little ring? Is there a name for that? I don't know. Yeah. You're gonna have a little gray ring of hair around the back of your head. You know, this will be bald and you'll be driving this thing. Shane will be on the other side. But he'll still have hair, I guess.
Oh, there it is, ready to start it.
Alright, are we ready to start it for real? Alright.
Hang on.
Oh my gosh, who was in here?
Oh yeah, I might have moved stuff around.
Holy.
Okay, cycle the key about like, you know.
Let's see if we can hear that one. Oh, I hear it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That sounds way more stronger. One more. And then start. Oh, you see how we almost have a half tank now? As I say, it has a good amount of fuel in there. Give her a second. Why is it running on 2 cylinders?
That's the
Oh, there it is.
Did you unplug something?
Probably. Oh, 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 oh.
Had to get everything functional. Oh, there's not even no message center light no more. Sounds like it's a little hesitant.
Yeah, it's definitely missing on one cylinder. Or two. So what that did is just revealed you probably need spark plugs and wires and coil packs, injectors. I had that hose unplugged, but
I don't think that's gonna change.
oh yeah, they'll make them run bad, but it didn't seem to change anything.
Well, that was good.
I don't know. It's definitely missing on a cylinder, but plus it always has been. Plus the fuel pump.